Hello everyone, take a pink color paper like this and cut it into frills like this. Now keep folding it from the sides and join it in the between one by one as shown in the video. After that, leave few portions on the back to make the tail of the fish. Now stick its eyes like this and it's ready. Next, take a balloon and fill the marble inside it like this and tie it using a thread. Now turn the balloon inside out. Now blow it as shown in the video. After blowing it, put the black strips on it like this in the bottom, stick its eyes, make the wings of the butterfly, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can choose any color to make its wings, otherwise it's ready. Next, we will make beautiful birds using the paper. So tie the paper like this in the between. Now stick its eyes, cut it from the back to make the tail of the bird like this. Stick its eyes and your bird is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to cut it from the front to make its beak. Next, take a white sheet and make the lotus on it. Now put the transparent sheet over it and draw the lines of the lotus by putting it like this. Now remove it. Now take a card and fix it like this together. Put the colored lotus on it and it's ready. Next, take a brown sheet like this and draw the lines on it and then cut it out. So here we are making a flower basket. Draw the check lines on it and draw different patterns on it like this. Now apply the sellotape all over it and then cover it like this. After that, stick the flowers and your flower basket is almost ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and take the 4 wooden sticks like this and paste them together to make the legs of the pig. Now take a pink color paper and cut it out and make the ears of the pig like this. Draw its eyes and nose like this using a black marker and then color it if you want, or just you can leave it as it is, and your pig is ready. Don't forget to make its tail on the back and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a plastic bottle and cut it from the between. Now fill it using the clay. Now put the candies on it like this. Now take a tissue paper and then roll it by putting some designs on it like this using colorful pens. Paste it and your candy bouquet is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. So here we'll be making a heart stick. Cut out the heart and paste the double-sided tape on it. Now paste some candies over it, put a stick and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.